All right, hello and welcome to week 3 of Learning at Home with Mr. Christensen. I'm pretty sure I've changed the name of that every week. So we've had 2 weeks. We've had 9 assignments. No, 6 assignments, 3 per week. I'm getting those checked off and in the gradebook as fast as I can. If at all possible, please try to upload them directly into Aries. If the window has already been closed because they're late, you can email them to me. But try to get them in during the week they're due. It'll make grading a whole lot faster, and you can see that more instant results towards your grade. All right, this week, as you can see right there, we're talking about multiplying integers. Last week you combined them, so you had to be able to identify if they were the same sign or different to know whether you were to put together the numbers or subtract them. Multiplying, totally different set of rules. Okay, for multiplying, it's a real quick lesson today. So 2 things that you need to look for. It's still looking for the signs. So when the signs are, and we have 2 options, just like you did last week. When they are the same, it is automatically a positive answer. Okay, the numbers we don't change. How we work with the numbers, it's the same since 3rd grade whenever you learn multiplication. So for instance, if you have a positive 4 times a positive 7, well, this is a 4th or 3rd grade math problem, 3rd and 4th grade. It's 4 times 7, positive times positive. So this will give us a positive 28. So that's what you've always had since the beginning of time, since you started learning multiplication. At the same time, though, if I have a negative 4 times a negative 7, well, because these signs are the same, they're both negative, it's automatically a positive answer. Real weird situation there. It takes a little bit of practice. That's why you're doing this, so that you can remember that if you are multiplying, if they are the same sign, you're going to have a positive answer. Doesn't matter about the numbers. Doesn't matter at all. Doesn't matter which is bigger. Doesn't matter which is smaller. It doesn't matter if they're fractions, decimals, whatever. It doesn't matter. If they're the same sign, it's automatically positive. If they're both positives, it's positive. If they're both negatives, it's positive. It's automatic. Okay. The flip side of that is if they are different signs, so this is the same, this is different, it's automatically a negative answer. So we'll go with the same numbers. We'll just mix up the signs here. So if my 4 was negative and my 7 was positive, they are different signs. My answer is automatically a negative number. I haven't even talked about the 4 and the 7 yet. I'm just looking at the signs. Negative, positive. They're different, negative answer. Now I can look at the numbers there. 4 times 7 is 28. Again, it doesn't matter which is which. Now my 4 is positive and my 7 is negative. As long as I can say that they are different signs being multiplied, my answer is automatically negative. So 4 times 7 again gets me that 28. It's a negative answer. As long as they're different signs, it doesn't matter which is bigger, doesn't matter which is smaller, doesn't matter which one came first, doesn't matter. 2 signs, 2 different signs, negative answer. Okay, so that's really the lesson. Multiplication, we have multiple ways of showing multiplication. In elementary school, you had the big X, right? So this is times 6. Different signs, negative, positive, so I get a negative 12. You have parentheses now, so negative 3 touching negative 4. Two things in math touch, it automatically means multiply. So negative times a negative, they're both the same sign. So I get a positive answer. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, and then up above we have the dot. So we have the big X, which you don't see very often. You have the dot, you see that quite a bit. And you see it where just two numbers are touching, either in parentheses or brackets or some other way. But that denotes multiplication. That's all there really is. This week is a pretty easy week. You're just checking to see if they're the same or different, and then you're doing your multiplication. Okay, always check. Think about it each time. Same sign, it's automatically positive. Different signs, it's automatically negative. The multiplication itself doesn't change. It's the same you've always done since third grade again. So if you have any questions, please email me. If you need anything, please let me know. Text message me, and we can schedule an appointment for a one-on-one if you need a little bit of a consult. All right. Have a good week. Stay inside. Stay safe.